Hey everyone, Andrew from MagicSchool. Today I'm going to walk you through how one of our AI tools works, and I'm going to introduce you to Raina, our instructional coach chatbot. When you log in, you'll see dozens of tools organized by category. I want to start with the Rubric Generator to show you how each tool works. To find it, I'm going up to the search bar, type Rubric, and hit enter. There it is. You can see the Rubric Generator has appeared along with a few other related tools. You can also explore tools by browsing through categories. And if you're new to MagicSchool and not sure where to begin, you can use our tool recommendations. Just select your grade level, describe what you need as an educator, and it will suggest great tools to help you get started in MagicSchool and Magic Student. I'm going to go ahead and click on the Rubric Generator and walk you through the features that every tool has. But before we begin, I want to show you the exemplar feature. When you click exemplar, it pre-populates every field so you can see a complete example of what that tool can create. Now that I know what to expect, I'm going back to make my own rubric. I'll start by choosing my grade level, then I'll fill out each field. For the standard or objective, I'll say that the students are writing an argumentative essay. I also want to point out this add file dropdown. This lets you attach any document, which the AI will reference when creating the output. Next, I'll write a quick assignment description. I'll leave the additional customization field blank for now, and I'll align this to the Texas State Standards for 5th grade. Before I hit generate, there's one more feature to highlight, web search. When this is turned on, the AI will search the web while creating the output, instead of relying only on its built-in dataset. This opens the door to far more possibilities if you want relevant, up-to-date information. Now we're ready to generate. Here you can see it's creating a great starting point for a rubric. Once it's finished, you have several options. If the output looks good, you can copy and paste it. You can export it in multiple formats. You can even edit it right inside the platform if you want to adjust anything manually. You can also translate anything you create in MagicSchool into many different languages. You can click the speaker icon to have the entire output read aloud. And finally, you can click Save Resource to name this rubric and store it in our resource library, which you'll find in the dropdown under Magic Tools on the left side of your screen. You'll also see these suggestion bubbles from Raina at the bottom of your outputs. This is where Raina starts acting like an instructional coach. And if you have the Enterprise or Plus plan, you can continue the conversation with Raina right below the output. Here, for example, I asked Raina to add a column for teacher comments. If you don't have the ability to continue the conversation, you can always go back to edit your prompt and add your customizations there. Most tools also include action buttons, which are quick prompts that let you generate questions, change the length of the output, create a summary, or even add your own custom prompts. And if you create something you want to share with a colleague, you can click Share in the top right corner, copy the link, and send it their way. Meet Raina, your AI-powered teaching assistant. Raina can help you differentiate lessons, draft emails, design professional learning, make custom prompts, create charts and math outputs, evaluate code, and more. She can do it all. Now here's how to get the best results from Raina. First, define the role you want Raina to take. For example, you might want Raina to act as a 5th grade science expert in Texas. Next, define the task. So in this case, we want our 5th grade science expert Raina to create a science experiment about weathering, erosion, and deposition. Then add important details to shape the output. I want this experiment to include group work. I want it to be hands-on. I want students to move around the room. And if possible, I want it to be done outside. Once everything looks good, click Send Message, and Raina will begin generating the resource you asked for. If it's not quite right, you can always ask her to make adjustments. You can also ask Raina to continue making additional resources in the same conversation. I'm going to ask Raina to create a worksheet to go with the experiment. At the bottom, you can change Raina's model from fastest to smartest to thinking. Fastest works for most teacher tasks. Smartest is great for math outputs. Thinking is best for deep research. Raina also includes a paperclip icon. This lets you upload a document for her to reference while generating. She also has the web search feature, just like our other MagicSchool tools. Raina also has action buttons for quick adjustments and a recording button if you prefer to talk instead of type. And don't worry, Raina remembers your conversations. If you accidentally close MagicSchool or lose your conversation somehow, you can always pull up your chat history on the right side of the screen and pick up right where you left off. MagicSchool is AI built by educators for educators. Head on over to magicschool.ai to learn more.